Ready? Start. Article 1 of the United Nations Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities offers that persons with disabilities include those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual or sensory impairments which in interaction may hinder their full and effective participation in society on an equal basis with others. In this light, disability may be defined as a condition which may restrict a person's mental, sensory or mobility functions to undertake or perform a task in the same way as a person who does not have a disability. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in one of his radio addresses of Man Ki Baat, regarded physically challenged persons with divine ability. He also used the term Divyang for persons with disability. There are currently more than 1 billion disabled people in the world, which is 15% of the world population. As per the census 2011, the number of persons with disabilities in India is around constituting of the total population. The increase is more in rural areas and in the states of Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir and Sikkim. All of the given facts show that persons with disabilities form a crucial part of a population. However, they are still discriminated, excluded and denied their rights in our society. This has called for various laws, initiatives and rules that promote equality for these people. But before we understand these laws, it is important for us to understand the types of disabilities and the challenges faced by such people. Categories of disabilities include various physical and mental impairments that can hamper or reduce a person's ability to carry out their day-to-day activities. Disability can be broken down into following subcategories. Mobility physical includes upper and lower limb disability, manual and disability in coordination of different organs of the body. Persons with disabilities or Divyangs often lack support services. Due to lack of support services, they are denied basic education or vocational training. As per the India Social Development Report SDR, about 45% of all PWDs in India are illiterate. The reason for this illiteracy includes various issues such as availability of special schools, trained teachers and availability of educational materials for the disabled. Thus, there is a lack of inclusivity. People with disabilities are also denied of employment opportunities. Lack of rehabilitation leads to poverty. Further, most of the public spaces in India are not equipped with special requirements of the disabled people. Lack of adequate disabled-friendly facilities has acted as a bigger roadblock and has prevented differently abled people from making valuable contributions to the society. Differently abled people also face discrimination in day-to-day life. They have to face humiliation, exclusion and negative attitudes which act as a hindrance in their active participation in a public space. Stop over.